Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the WAC Shift and Earnings Tracker app. The WAC, or Work and Communication Shift and Earning Tracker, remains a vital tool for the UK's hourly paid workforce in 2026, though it has faced growing pains for following its shift to a freemium model. Its core strength is its precision in any estimation. The app doesn't just track hours but calculate tax, holiday pay, and pension and contribution in real time, helping users spot underpayments before payday. The GPS walk in and out feature provides essential location-backed proof for shift disputes, while the new 2026 updates have refined the spaces and bills section to help irregular earners budget between pay cycles. However, the honest user experience has become more polarized due to the aggressive premium upsells. Many longtime users find the free version increasingly restrictive features like overtime rules, multiple job tracking, and detailed payslip breakdowns are now gated behind a subscription. Additionally, while the automated Rota system is a time saver, some users report syncing issues and bugs when trying to manually override pay dates for holiday periods. It is still a top tier app for ensuring you're paid every penny you're owed, but the constant prompts to upgrade can be a deterrent for those on the lowest wages.